Hello, if you are transferring to or transfer to MVP, this is the process to complete your USA Swimming transfer. You'll have to go to usaswimming.org. You need to log into your account. And then on your dashboard here, you want to go down to where it says My Account, go to Club Transfer. And then it says Club underneath here, Mount Vernon Premier Aquatics. You want to click that downward arrow, initiate transfer, new club first name and last name there, and then just hit submit transfer, and that will initiate your transfer. It will show up in your account at USA Swimming for a little bit, but that will allow you to, like I said, initiate the transfer, start that process, and um, will help with your USA Swimming re registration as well for the next year.